The work that we are doing is really, it's really innovative, and it's been recognized nationally in terms of helping rural communities, small communities grapple with these types of challenges. Challenges with an aging population, with this digitization and globalization of the economy, with a declining workforce. Those programs that we've built here, those are possible because of the collaborative actions of our communities coming together.
So as we approach the 12-month anniversary of the waves of economic impact resulting from COVID, it's really given us cause to pause and reflect on what we've witnessed and what we've learned coming out of that. The BDCC going into COVID really already understood the importance of capacity and technical expertise in addressing the challenges in developing an economy. In the 1950s, you could really check off your mission by simply constructing a new building, helping a business expand, and mission accomplished. Today, COVID and economic development really require a broader set of skills and resources. So here at the BDCC, we continue to have laser focus on our strategic plan, and we underscore that by bringing outside resources to help continue to grow the region's capacity for economic development, as well as funding for businesses and critical community infrastructure projects.
And so, we've put together these great programs, these partnerships where we're able to help communities help each other and learn together and innovate together and take on big projects. When we look at some of the broadband work that's going on in this region, that's definitely come from that work of folks coming together. So a SeVEDS is a federally prescribed process for creating a 5-year plan to grow your economy. And it requires you to involve all different aspects of your society and to look at data, set goals, and then create a plan. The municipal investment that we have seen here in the region has been critical in terms of implementing the work that has been done in our region with our citizens and our businesses and our towns to develop that SeVEDS. And so, the municipal investment has come together and helped us create the programs that are needed to implement some of the aspects of this SeVEDS, particularly around workforce and technical assistance and entrepreneurship.
The Southern Vermont Economy Project provides workshops and trainings to increase the capacity of our municipalities and nonprofits in the region. All of the SVEP trainings are open to the public, and I think what's really important is that they're not only for professionals who sort of do this on a regular basis, but ideally they're for our community members, for those volunteers, those elected officials, and really there's room for everyone to learn.
The need to increase the size and quality of our workforce has always been an utmost priority for our region and our region's economy. So why aren't more students enrolling in certain kind of industries and careers, even though we know, based on our own research, that there's job openings? Through that research and through those partnerships, we solve problems, we explore and discover new problems, and we kind of keep going to remove barriers for anyone entering good jobs and high-wage careers.
So we developed this program training many seniors in professionalism, interview skills, and really how to take their first steps into the professional world. And if you want to go away and you want to get a degree, there's opportunity to come back and have a quality job that will provide a fantastic future.
We work directly with employers both on internships as well as with targeted recruitment. So someone needs a very specific position, we work to help them not only find the right person, but also help that person transition into the area and get them the resources they need to want to stay and build a life here.
I assist local communities by resourcing technical assistance for improvement projects. These may include improvements to town offices, public safety facilities, or local nonprofits and libraries.
I focus on small business resources in the region. For the next year, we're really going to be leaning into technical assistance programming, as well as our ability to have businesses access capital at different levels, no matter where they are in their business.
With the pandemic, we've balanced taking our programs and trainings virtual, but also providing relief. We've helped over 500 nonprofits and small businesses, and we've brought more relief to this region. We just wrapped up a sole proprietor relief program and Restart Vermont technical assistance grants, and more relief is on the way.
I've been based here for going on 10 years. We make Owl energy bars here at the Cotton Mill in Brattleboro. If you're looking for funding, if you're looking for COVID relief, or if you're just looking to expand your business and you need literal space to do so, I feel like there's a person in each one of those categories. So that type of thing is what helps business just happen.
When we speak with members of the community, we'll often be asked, what is the difference between SeVEDS and BDCC? I don't quite understand that. BDCC is one of 12 regional development corporations in the state of Vermont. And we have a contract with the Agency of Commerce and Community Development to be the eyes, ears, and boots on the ground for economic development here in the Wyndham region. SeVEDS is its own organization. It has its own board, its own budget, but it has no employees. So instead it contracts with BDCC to implement the priorities that it sets through a grassroots initiative to understand what do each of our different communities need, what are those communities' assets. They pass that list of strategic priorities onto the BDCC. We go out and we develop and find the resources to implement those strategies. We are a great conduit for bringing outside resources to the region. And those resources can be for municipalities, those resources can be for individual business owners. Regardless of who receives those resources, but for the ability to attract those resources, that need would go unmet. And there is no one single town, there is no one single business, or any other organization other than a regional organization such as ours that has the ability, the experience, the capacity to go get those resources. And that's what we do here.